Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, so this is our episode 6 of HTML tutorial in Tagalog and English. So we will be talking about HTML links and images. We'll be focusing on links and images this time because we just not tackled on our previous videos. So let's get started. Just open up our previous Visual Studio Code implemented last on the previous video we had. So let's just remove the contents inside on our body. So links. So what is links? This time we'll be open up our. Let's just create a folder uh, inside our desktop. Let's just create a folder in here. So my website. Select this folder. Uh, yep, on save. Inside our my website, let's just create another file, which is what we call index.html. And let's open up our preview by holding Control Shift V. And let's put this one on the right side. Let me just drag this one to shrink it out. So by pressing exclamation and tab, it creates a snippets for the HTML5, and then try to change the title as my website. So what are links? So links is basically created by an anchor tag, which is an element of a, this one. And then if we try to add um, an external link, so we'll just add https colon forward slash and then www.facebook.com, like that, or youtube.com, and then put a content in here to display uh, sa ating browser. So, Facebook. Ayun. Naging blue siya kasi ito ay a type of link. So, ano bang, so let's try to remove the style first. So, let me just add style, color of black, and then remove the text decoration or font style of none, font style none. Let's just wardrobe first. Font style none. Text decoration ata yun. Text decoration of none. Ayun. Text decoration. So, ito is clickable na siya at papunta na siya sa YouTube. As you can see, if we hover our YouTube text, may lalabas na link ito. So, when we click this one, it'll go to YouTube expectedly. Ayun. Open up browser. It open up a browser and then pumunta sa YouTube. So what I want this time is I want to link this one on our page. Isang internal page natin na gagawan pala natin ng page. So I just called it about page. So about.html, And then let's try to add the snippet for the HTML file. And then this one is gonna be about page. Ayun. So let's just add H1 first, and then content that is just about, and then a lorem ipsum for the paragraph, lorem of 10, ayun, word drop. But it's not why it's not affecting another file. So this time I want when I click let me just try to change this one to about, and then when I click this one I just want to redirect the page into the about page, which is the about page that we created seconds ago. So let me just try to change the href of about that HTML. Yes, that's the one. So when I try to click about, I am expecting to see the about that HTML, but it's not working. Let me try to open up desktop, and then um yep, open this in an incognito tab. Just drag the index file into the incognito, and then boom, we created the we see the preview of the index file. So let's try to click the about. It's not working. Let me just try to grab the absolute path for this one and try to change this backslash to forward slash, and then refresh the page for the incognito tab. Refresh the page, and then click. Ayun, lumabas na yung about page natin galing sa ginawa nating page kanina. So let's try to add another navigation. So the navigation element will be called as nav. So we have a nav element which is for navigation talaga. So let's just add that one in here, and then add another one for our homepage. So we'll just call that home, and this one is index.html. So let me try to copy this one and paste it to about that HTML. So this one is a nav, and this one will be the section. So we had a section element for separating the section and the navigation. So I have a home and about, and then when I try to click on the index, I will be seeing this style again. So let me just click this home. Oops. Uh, let's try to open up in a browser. So para hindi masira, let me refresh this one. Try nating add yung um, section inside index.html. So this is our homepage. Homepage. Okay. So let me go back to our browser and refresh the page. So when you try to click about, I am expecting to redirect sa about page. So let me click. Okay. We are on about page, and then when we try to click home again, I am expecting to redirect on the home page. Click. Yep, it's working. The linking on the page is working. So basically that's it for the linking. So we'll try to talk about the image. I think we already uh, tackled the image. I'll just talk about the uh, font. I mean the fab icon. So just try to add the fab icon. Let me just search for the fab icon. I just forgot the code. You know what? Let me just copy this one and paste it here. So I don't have any fab icon yet. Let me just download online fab icon under images. Fab icon images. So let's try to grab this one, copy, or say, let me just open a new tab and then try to grab uh the uh, the address. So let's open up the my website. I'll refresh the page. Yep, as we can see, we have the fab icon in here for the homepage. About, I think it's not yet implemented on about. So, yep, we can see it's not implemented yet. So we'll just try to grab this link to add an icon above the tab on the browser. So we can put above the title. So let me just open up again. So let's just refresh the page. Yep, I am seeing the fab icon. So we already talked about the images. So I'm not just gonna tackle that one. Um, for the fab icon, it's been already explained. The linking and the external sources for external websites like YouTube. I think that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And then kita-kits sa next video natin. Thank you, guys.